Let's get dressed for a date with the kids. We're taking the kids to Amsterdam. The Barbie dream is something that I've been promising them for a while now. So finally, we get to do it. So this is the basic layer. I decided to go with this black t-shirt because I didn't want it to wear white. I actually wanted to wear white, but I was like, you know what? I want to be comfortable. I don't want to think about, oh, my clothes is messy, get dirty like that. So I thought, no, let me just go with this black t-shirt. This I actually got this from the Hema, the men's section. I was just passing by. I was looking for a black t-shirt, a black shirt, and then I saw this one from the men's section. I was like, okay, it's a bit bigger, but I will pick it up. I don't mind. So this is it. I have a legging under and a short pants. So I'm gonna wear this dress. I think this dress was from AliExpress a while ago, long time ago, but I never wear it. I just wash it and hang it in the closet. Today I felt like, you know what, this is the perfect dress to wear. You know, I want to be Barbie. I want to be Barbie, but I'm not a pink. I'm not a pink person. I like Barbie, but I'm not really into pink, pink, pink. So I thought, you know what, let's keep it neutral for me. I'm gonna wear this dress. It has a zip on the side. Let's try and put this one on first because that's where the challenge comes. Because I'm gonna cover my head up, my makeup. When I first saw this dress, I was like, this is so short because I was expecting something long, a bit longer, but I'm like, why is it so short? Why is this dress so short? But yeah, it is a very short dress, but it's cute. So I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like it will be perfect because my daughters want me to wear pink, and I'm like, I'm not gonna wear anything. Okay, I'm back. It was a bit challenging to close the zip, but yeah, maybe because of the nails, I couldn't close it myself. Okay, so now I'm also going to wear this belt, this black and gold belt that I also picked up from AliExpress. Actually, this dress came with a white belt, but I was like, no, I wanted to wear black. I don't want to wear white. Maybe one day when I want to wear a white boot with it with this dress, then I might um use the white belt. But for now, I want to snatch the waist. I don't want it to be too tight. And I also want to snatch. Let's snatch the waist. Yes. This is cute. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. So now I'm gonna wear this boot. I got this boot from Zalando long time ago, and this is the first time me wearing these boots. Oh, it's the first time, and the reason why I want to wear this boot because the heels are not so high, so you guys can see. It's like this cowboy boots thing. The heels are not so high, and I feel like it's gonna be comfortable to walk with outside. And it's also a high knee boot. Perfectly match the dress. It looks so cute. Cutie cutie. Yes, this is so cute. I want the hair to be a bit messy because I don't want it to look like, I want like a messy hair. Maybe I'll need to go back to the bathroom and style it a bit. And work bag. This is my everyday bag. I don't want to take my mommy bag because I'm like, just got some few things in here. So we're going to the Barbie Dream House. After that, we're going to the restaurant and eat something and then come back home and relax. At least I've done that. That is out of scratch, out of the list. So this is the outfit. What do you guys think? Do I look cute? I think it looks cute. It's not a pink, but it's perfect for the Barbie. It's a Barbie look. You know, Barbie does not mean that you have to wear pink. Okay, being a Barbie does not mean that you have to wear pink. I am not a pink person. I'm not really a pink girl, but I can also be a Barbie. I'm a Barbie, but a Barbie with a neutral color. My daughters, they want pink. The girls, they want me to wear pink. They are gonna wear pink and frolic and happy color. And I'm like, I want to wear a neutral color, something that makes me also feel like I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. So, guys, this is the outfit look of the day. Simple as. What do you guys think? Do I look good? I think I look good. I really like this dress actually. It's so cute. It's so beautiful. Simple. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. And I'll see you all on my next video. Heel erg bedankt voor jullie liefde en ondersteuning. Bye.